there! In today's video, I'll show you how to enable or disable auto software update on your Samsung Galaxy S23. Let's get started. So as a first step, open settings on your phone and then scroll to the end of this list. Here, go to the tab which is named software update, and here is it. The function that we are looking for, which is named auto download or Wi-Fi. So if you would like to update your phone manually, you can disable this function, but otherwise I highly recommend to leave this feature enabled. And also an extra tip, if you would like to check for software updates, you would need to click on this button download and install. So if your software is the latest version, you'll get notification that your software is up to date. But if not, you'll get this menu which looks like this, and the software update will start automatically. So we can click resume download and wait until our phone will be updated and the software will be up to date. And this is it for today. I hope this video helps, and thank you for watching.